Hi, Joe Szynski here with BrainShare Coach. Are you a business coach that's been in business 3 years or less? Are you struggling with some of the systems, processes, and tools that you need to help your clients? Well, I've been there. I've been doing this for 13 years now, and we've put together the system, process, and tools to help you help your clients. And now you have access to them through our affiliate program at brainSHARE.online. We've worked with thousands of businesses in every capacity, from mom and pop's donut shop to Fortune 50 companies. Now there's over 200 lessons in this online system, 200 lessons that you can now help your clients become a profitable enterprise that works without them. We've taken all of our learnings for the last 13 years and put them into a step-by-step process and system that you can leverage with your clients. We walk you through every step of the way of building the house, from time management to your foundation, to marketing, to systems, to team, to exit strategies. So if you're a business coach, 3 years or less, and looking for the system, tools, and processes you need to take your clients to the next level, brainshare.online is for you. If you'd like to talk about it, give me a call, 408-899-6737. Thanks, and have an awesome day.